The number of COVID-19 related deaths in the state is now up to 5. Our statewide total of cases stands at 387. Of those, 26 have required hospitalization, and so far 89 patients have recovered. There were 16 new cases reported today. State officials expressed optimism with the latest numbers, but they stressed that we are far from being out of the woods. Manola Morales has details.
Lieutenant Governor Josh Green pointed out that the state is in pretty good shape when it comes to the number of hospital beds and ventilators available. He adds that the number of patients using them has also gone down.
It's good news, it is promising, but it is by no means a reason to let our guard down. After the weekend, we sometimes get fewer reports. Please, please be careful. It's promising because your efforts have been flattening the curve, but we are not out of the woods yet at all.
As far as the number of cases coming down in the past couple of days, the health department says not to read into that too much because test results typically come down during the weekend.
Typically on weekends we see a decrease in the number of cases simply because the reports are not submitted as quick as they are during the week. And I think the worst is still yet to come.
Anderson shared some good news on the testing front. The state will get new testing kits that can get quick results. The state is only getting 5 kits per week, but each one can test 24 individuals.
So that's a total of 120 individuals who we can test. And our understanding that the test kits will be rationed in a way that we'll only expect to receive one of those shipments of 5 test kits each week for the foreseeable future.
We have testing now more available for critical infrastructure workers. Our general's plan was to get some extra care directly to people in a rapid way for people who might be serving out in the community as first responders.
The lieutenant governor adds that the next couple of weeks will determine a lot as far as what will happen in the months ahead. On Wake Up Today, here's what he said about extending the stay-at-home order beyond April 30th.
I think about 10 days out, about April 20th, we should make that determination. We should see exactly the number of cases, exactly how many ventilators we've had to use, and how much time we have people in the hospital, see how low our cases have gone and whether there's any community spread.
Manola Morales, KHON2 News, working for Hawaii.